Using Microsoft Teams, you and your coworkers can have live video and text chats in the office. It's a plus for most businesses because it works well with other Office 365 offerings. The platform's reliability and performance are generally high. However, there are some potential glitches that can occur. Your Microsoft Teams camera may be malfunctioning for a number of different reasons. In this video, we'll show you the solutions that you can try if your Microsoft Teams webcam has stopped working. Before doing anything, make sure that you do these things. Restart the computer. Make sure the webcam is plugged in before using Microsoft Teams. Close any programs that could be using the webcam before joining the Teams session. Example, Skype, instant messaging software, webcam software, etc. By the way, please like and share our videos to help those who might have the same issues so that we can help them too. Once you're done, then let's begin. First, ensure that Microsoft Teams has access to your camera. Be sure the app can access your camera before proceeding. Here's what you need to do. Click on the Start button. Click on Settings. Click on Privacy. Click on Camera. Turn on the switch to allow apps to access your camera. Next, install the latest webcam drivers. Verify that your computer has the most recent and appropriate webcam drivers installed. Right-click on the Start button. Click on Device Manager. Click the forward arrow just before imaging devices. Right-click on your webcam, then click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for updated driver software. After the new driver has installed, restart your computer. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it. If you can leave a like or comment, subscribe to our channel or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.